Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. October 2 is a very important day for our country. We celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. We also call him Bapu with great respect and affection. Long ago, on this day in 1869, a cute little baby was born in Porbandar town in Gujarat. Father Karamchand Gandhi and mother Putlibai named the baby Mohan. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. As a child, he was greatly influenced by the honesty and strict discipline of his father and by the simplicity and religious thoughts of his mother. At a very early age, the shy little child learned great values of truthfulness, integrity, honesty, and discipline. He lived these values throughout his life and rightly demonstrated the power of these values to the entire world.
जन तो तेने कहे जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहे जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान जन को तेने कहे जे पीड़ पराए जाने सकल लोक मां सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे कांच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन.
Hello everyone, I am Rushil Govilkar. Today I would like to tell Gandhiji's famous quote, "Be the change you want to see in the world." Thank you everyone.
Myself Siddhi Matre. Happy Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti to all. Let's see some slogans of Mahatma Gandhi. Self-respect knows no considerations. We need not wait to see what others do. Where there is love, there is life. Non-violence is a weapon of strong. The weak can be never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Thank you and once again a happy Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti to all.
Hello everyone, myself Yash Balaskar. I am from Standard 3rd C. Today I am going to say a famous quote of Mahatma Gandhi. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Thank you.
You must be the change you wish to see in the world.
आप मुझे जंजीरों में जकड़ सकते हैं, यातना दे सकते हैं, इस शरीर को नष्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप कभी मेरे विचारों को कैद नहीं कर सकते।
मैं हिंसा का विरोध करता हूँ क्योंकि उसे पाया हुआ समाधान बहुत कम वक्त के लिए होता है और उसे पैदा हुई नफरत हमेशा के लिए।
दुर्बल लोग कभी क्षमा नहीं करते, क्षमा करना तो बलवानों का गुण है।
खुशी तब मिलेगी जब आप जो सोचते हैं, जो कहते हैं और जो करते हैं सामंजस्य में हो। धन्यवाद।
अपने आप को खोजने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है अपने आप को दूसरों की सेवा में खो देना।
व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित प्राणी है। जो वो सोचता है वही बन जाता है।
Teachers and my dear friends, my name is Tirtha Maheshwari. Today I am telling Gandhi Jayanti speech and non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest leader of his time, and millions of people used to respect and follow him. He completely changed his attire and wore a simple lawn cloth, which he thought would let him connect to India poor. He took active part in the Indian independence movement and led India to the path of independence, thought, truth and right news. And now we will tell about non-violence is a personal practice of not causing harm to oneself and other under every condition, and the environment is necessary to achieve on the document, and it may refer to general propensity and appendages of violence. It may be based on moral, religious and the spiritual participants, but also the result of that it may be purely static and private. Thank you for giving me chance about Mahatma Gandhi.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. Gandhiji was raised in a Hindu family in coastal Gujarat. Gandhiji studied law at Inner Temple, London, and was called barrister at age 22 in June 1891. After 2 uncertain years in India, where he was unable to start his successful law practice, he moved to South Africa in 1883 to represent an Indian merchant in lawsuit. Mahatma Gandhi was thrown off a train at the Pietermaritzburg railway station in South Africa in 1893. After white men objected to him traveling in the first-class coach, Gandhiji spent nearly 21 years in South Africa practicing law and adopted Satyagraha against the receipt scheme. Salt March, also called Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha, major non-violent protest in India, was led by Mahatma Gandhi on 12th March 1930 to 5th April 1930. As a direct action campaign of tax resistance and non-violent protest against British salt monopoly. Mahatma Gandhi was the leader who guided India towards the independence. Gandhiji's contribution to India's freedom movement cannot be measured in words. He, along with other freedom fighters, compelled the British to leave India. Mahatma Gandhi always gave importance to human rights. No doubt Mahatma Gandhi is a true inspiration not only for past generation but also for the generation to come with his ideology of non-violence, truth, tolerance and social welfare.
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना दाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब दब की लड़ाई, दागी न कही तोप न बंदूक चलाई, दुश्मन के किले पर भी न की चढ़ाई। वहरे फकीर खूब करामत दिखाई, चुटकी में दुश्मन को दिया देश से निकाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। जब जब तेरी बिदुगिल बजी जवान चल पड़े, मजदूर चल पड़े थे और किसान चल पड़े, हिंदू व मुसलमान सिख पठान चल पड़े, कदमों पर तेरे कोटि कोटि प्रणाम चल पड़े। फूलों से सजे छोड़ के दौड़े जवाहरलाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना धार, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना दाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
तेरा रंग ऐसा चढ़ गया कोई और रंग ना चढ़ सके, तेरा नाम सीने पे लिखा हर कोई आके पढ़ सके। है जुनून है तेरे इश्क का, ये जुनून है रग रग में इश्क तेरा दौड़ता, ये भावना का खून है। तूने ही सिखाया सच्चाइयों का मतलब, तेरे पास आके जाना मैंने जिंदगी का मकसद। सत्य में बजते सच्चा है प्यार मेरा, सत्य में बजते सत्य में बजते। तेरे नूर के दस्तूर में न हो सलवते न शिकन रहे, मेरी कोशिश तो है बस यही रहे खुशबुए गुलशन रहे। तेरी जुल्फ सुलझाने चला तेरे और पास आने